Welcome back to the classroom. In this lesson, we're going to talk about when Windows won't start normally. This is one of the most stressful issues users run into because the system powers on, but they can't get it to actually work. Maybe the PC loops into a startup repair. Maybe it freezes during boot. Maybe it just restarts over and over and over. Maybe it actually shows a recovery screen. Maybe it actually goes into the desktop and just freezes there. The first thing I want you to understand is this. If the system powers on, this is usually a startup or no boot problem and not a no power problem. And of course, that matters because it tells you what kind of category of issue you're looking at. And once you know it's a startup problem, the next big question is where is it failing in the startup process? And that question helps you think more clearly. And another very important question is there important data on the machine? Because one of the biggest beginner mistakes is rushing too quickly into reinstalling Windows, and sometimes you can put those important files at risk. Now, there are absolutely cases where reinstalling becomes part of the solution, but it should not be your first emotional reaction every time Windows acts weird. A stronger first response is to think, is this startup corruption? Could storage health be involved? Is the system stuck in a repair loop? What changed before this started happening? And again, are there important files in there that we need to worry about? This is where calm classification matters. The problem may be related to operating system startup damage, boot configuration problems, bad Windows updates, interrupted updates, or even deeper storage related instability. And again, you don't need to know the exact answer immediately to start thinking well. You just need to avoid jumping straight to destructive steps too early. This is, again, one of the biggest mindset upgrades in repair work is slowing down before taking very big actions. So one of the main takeaways from this lesson is when Windows will not start normally, be sure to define it as a startup issue first. Think about where the startup process fails and think about the data before rushing into any major repair actions. Okay, your next action step after this lesson is to write down two different examples of Windows startup problems and what category you would place them in.